Hello everyone, I am Anna. I hope you're ready for Christmas. Today I have great gift ideas for your family and friends. And we have a musical vintage decoration that is suitable for any modern interior. If you have musicians in your house, this is great gift for them. I made it especially for decoration keyboard piano. So let's get started. I printed the usual musical notes on white paper. Then I take the pieces and I tear them up for my future collage. Let's have a cup of tea, shall we? I want to add age to my musical notes. I really like to do this with tea, because there are such spots that gives age. Just right for vintage work. Took old songs like Silent Night. For this project, I took old songs like Silent Night. I think it's perfect for vintage. Sonia came, she loves camera very much. I think she born a star. These spots are very beautiful. I'm very pleased the result. I have such a frame, a very old one. Can use any frame. Better if you choose classic one. I cut a rectangle out of foam board to fit the frame. Later, I will stick it on a double-sided tape. Here, I start laying out the composition of the musical collage. Sonia is always in a hurry to help, even just with the tail. I burned some of the pieces of paper. Here I show you the process of how I fire a piece of music. This has even more vintage effect. And I really like this charcoal strip that turns out. I often use this method in vintage work. In my plans to show you it with other examples and materials. The next stage of gluing notes. So, our first color is old yellow paper. Ivory and beige is perfect for vintage works. And you know the colors look so very noble in interior. I wanted to choose this order so that the name can be seen in places and bits of songs to add a Christmas mood. And yes, these burned leaves look much more interesting at work. Put it in frame. What of these deer in Dollar Tree? I really love deer and I have gold and white. These colors are perfect for my project. Write in the comments which one you like best. You see my choice now. I got rid of the decorative elements. And with my favorite gold paint, I slightly corrected the ears, literally ran a little to shade some elements. And I changed a little horns, ears, eyes, and neck. Showing a wonderful ribbon, it is very suitable for my project, and I'm wrapping my deer in this and gluing it. In the meantime, everything dries. I choose sprigs of greenery and red berries. When I start gluing with a hot glue gun, I try to stick only in the middle so that the branches are natural and wrap our deer. Such a dark, not bright green, accent red is just a great combination for this project. finally glue the deer. I added berries in the form of accent, just a little bit. Possible to stop there, but I wanted to add more exactly such gold to match. And here is a ball. I have different sizes. I cut them in half and glue them. And work with the deer is finished. I decided to add some more decoration. I really like this ribbon and I decided to make a bow out of it right now. I will show you the whole process. It's so easy. I don't use a thread with a needle. I do it with a wire very quickly, literally 2 turns around, and tighten the bow tightly from the back, and that's it. I chose a ribbon, in my opinion, a very vintage gold color that fits in addition to this ribbon with notes as well as possible. And I repeat exactly the same process, 2 turns around and tighten the bow tightly from the back. Straighten the tips, I cut off the wire, folded the ribbon in half and glued on a hot gun. For Christmas, and let's add a spruce branch to our bow. I glued it on a hot gun and add same berries on the top that I used for decoration with the deer. Colors overlap, which creates the impression of single style. I made 2 identical bows and using these clips. I really like them and use them often at work. And it's very convenient, I just stick it on a hot glue gun. Here I show you how I decorate my musical keyboard piano. Attach bows, they are very easy to attach. The deer looks very impressive next to the Christmas tree. Got along very well.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon verge.
And we can read the title of the songs. Bows are just magical. It can be used for gifts, not only for decorations. I hope you liked this project. If so, subscribe to my channel, put the like below, write your questions and ideas in the comments below.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm.